Two giants in the world of online selling, dropshipping versus Amazon FBA. Which one really delivers? On the left, dropshipping. Start lean, scale worldwide. And on the right, Amazon FBA. Speed and reach, powered by Amazon. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's our game plan for today. We're comparing dropshipping and Amazon FBA across like 7 key areas. Yep, 7. They are initial investment, fulfillment and logistics, branding and control, customer base and scalability, supplier and quality control, returns and customer service, and, oh yeah, profit margins. Keep this mind map in your head as we jump through each one. Let's kick things off with initial investment, because, come on, that's what everyone wants to know about first. With dropshipping, you genuinely don't need to shell out a bunch of cash up front. No inventory, no warehouse, just your laptop and hopefully some hustle. So the entry barrier is super low. The catch? Your margins aren't amazing, since suppliers take a cut. Now, with Amazon FBA, you kind of need to jump in with both feet. Yep, you got to buy your inventory up front and pay those sneaky Amazon storage fees. But buying in bulk sometimes gets you better pricing, which is nice, but comes with risk. So hands down, dropshipping wins here for keeping things lean right out of the gate. Moving on to fulfillment and logistics, which is where things get a little spicy. Dropshipping lets your suppliers handle the shipping drama, so you don't need to worry about running a warehouse or taping boxes at 2 a.m. Sounds good, right? Well, here's the reality. Shipping times can be unpredictable, and you actually lose a bit of control over how packages get delivered. With Amazon FBA, it's kind of legendary because Amazon literally does the heavy lifting. Packing, shipping, returns. Plus, buyers love Prime shipping. The flip side, more fees and you need to keep your stock full. But honestly, for smooth logistics, Amazon FBA just schools dropshipping here. Let's talk branding and control, which, believe me, makes or breaks a business for some folks. With dropshipping, you can build your own brand however you want. Website, packaging, the whole vibe is up to you. Downside, nobody knows you yet, so you have to create that buzz from scratch. Amazon FBA, you get some credibility automatically. Everyone trusts Amazon, but the branding options are, pretty rigid. Amazon branded packaging is cool, but not exactly creative freedom. So if you're all about making your mark, dropshipping totally takes the lead. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that about 30% of online sellers use dropshipping to rake in some extra income? I mean, that's a huge chunk of side hustlers out there. Now, customer base and scalability. This is where it gets interesting. Dropshipping lets you go global, pretty much day one. If you're nimble and have a cool niche, you can build something unique. But a big warning, you got to grind for your traffic, and growth is slow at first. Amazon FBA, on the other hand, throws you in front of millions of shoppers and makes international selling like super simple. But the competition is intense, and you are tied to Amazon's playground. Still, if you want quick scale and instant crowds, Amazon FBA really shines here. On to supplier and quality control. This is sneakily important. Dropshipping, you can swap suppliers easily and pivot products fast. But quality, it's a gamble. Some suppliers just aren't reliable, and you won't know until a customer sends you that angry email. Amazon FBA is much tighter, since you get to check the products before shipping them into Amazon's world, and they deal with returns. The only drag, you're stuck with inventory if your big idea flops. Overall, Amazon FBA rules the quality control scene. All right, let's talk about returns and customer service. For dropshipping, you control policies, but actually handling returns is a headache. Mess it up and your reputation tanks. With Amazon FBA, they almost coddle both sellers and buyers. Customer service, returns, refunds, all sorted by Amazon itself. Of course, you pay for the privilege and lose a bit of say. Still, Amazon FBA's got the friendliest setup here. Hands down. Last up, profit margins. This is where both sides have their struggles, honestly. Dropshipping gives you the freedom to set your own prices for maximum margin, at least until supplier fees eat most of it away. Amazon FBA lets bigger sellers push for volume-based profits, but fees and inventory risks love to crash the party. So, call it even. Neither model is perfect here, but they each have a shot depending on your strategy. Picture this. The radar chart is popping off. Dropshipping leads in initial investment and branding, while Amazon FBA crushes it in logistics, scalability, quality, and returns. Profit margins, honestly, they're neck and neck. So you start to see which one fits your vibe. If you really want low risk, tons of flexibility, and dream of building a brand from zero, dropshipping is totally your jam. But if you're like, I just want speed, scale, and ready-made customers, then Amazon FBA is where you should point your energy. It's almost like, are you a builder or a scaler? Your choice. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next